Welcome back, Dahlia fans. We are here in the Dahlia Patch 2025, and I'm just going to show you around. We are about 5 weeks after planting. I want to talk to you about topping your plants or pinching, and I also want to talk to you about tuber rot. So let's go check out the patch, see how everything's growing, and I'll give you some tips. One of the easiest and best things to do to get more blooms off your dahlia plants is to top it. Some people call it pinching. This is what you do. You just go to the top of your plant right here and you spread it open and you find the middle new growth. And when you find that middle new growth, you just grab it and click it off. It'll make a nice little clicking sound. It'll take the top off. And then you're gonna get 4 shoots coming off your main stalk instead of just 1. You're not gonna wanna top or pinch your dahlia plant until you have about 4 or 5 leaf sets. If you have more than that, that's okay, but 4 or 5 is kind of a good stage to do it at. So if you go into your plant, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaf sets. Now we have the new 6th leaf set right here. You can see right here, this is the new leaf set, and then the 7th is coming here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go right here to the middle and I'm gonna click it off. And you can just do this by bending it and it'll snap off really cleanly, see? And you can just throw that away. This is what it's gonna look like immediately after you top or pinch your dahlia. So you can see these 2 little light green nodes here, and then the 2 little light green nodes here. Those are each going to shoot up, and then you're gonna have a big bush that comes around here going in multiple directions, and each one of those is gonna have its own little side shoot node things, and those are gonna shoot up individual blooms each time. So fast forward 2 weeks and you've got these 2 shoots now, and one here, and the other one coming up right here. You can see the middle has just totally calloused over, and now it's pushing shoots up in every direction. And if you fast forward 3 weeks, now you've got 4 proper stalks coming off of 1 plant. I'm just going through the full row here and pinching every single one that has 4 or 5 leaf sets. So if your plant is looking wilted and you think the tuber probably rotted, don't do anything. Just wait. The stalk is going to be working to create its own root system aside from the tuber. So while the tuber rots, the plant is working on a whole new root system. If you leave it and don't touch it and you're patient, in about 2 to 3 weeks, the plant will actually be back to normal and it'll have a whole new growth, and the roots will be creating their own new tuber. It won't be relying on that mother tuber anymore, which will have rotted completely off and will be back in the dirt. So the key to this is just being patient. I know you want to dig it up or check or try to fix something or cut off the rot. Just don't do anything, I'm telling you. Leave it and it will bounce back. Just give it a couple weeks. Don't give it extra water, let it do its thing. It'll rain, and your dahlia plant will probably be back to normal in a couple of weeks. So that's the 5-week report. Everything's growing pretty good. You wanna watch for those wilting plants, but you don't really wanna do anything. Just watch them and do nothing. Supervise. Make sure you top those babies because you're gonna get way more blooms. I'll see you on the next update.